That's where I'm staying. Hotel Kimberley in Georgetown, here in Penang. Alright, this way. This way. Anything this way? Oh. This is the one. Alright, the big room reveal. Let's have a look. Oh, oh yeah. Alright, that's nice. That's classy. I like that pattern. That's classy. Shower, nice. Toilet, yeah. Curtain. Yep, all good. That's a good sink. You can push the plug down there, keep the water in. There's a TV. Oh, nice big bed. There's a desk here, somewhere to put my bag. This is nice, it's alright. Aircon, safe up there, hanging space. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. HBO movie on already. Can't show too much of that. Copyright. That's nice. Yeah, I like it. Also, ironing facilities. That's handy. We're going out for a classy night. That's a good thing too, staying here at the Kimberley. There's a laundry, 24 hours. Nice and clean too. Just outside of the building. That's handy. Let's have a look down Campbell Street Mall. This place has everything. Might even get something to eat. That looks great, but it's a bit early in the morning and I've got to find some breakfast. I'm trying to not be so pompoy, dabba choy. We'll keep on looking. The murals are great here. I come from Melbourne, Australia, where we have a lot of alleyway art and everything like that, but here, oh, they got it here too. Bit busy there. Ah, look at that. Have a look at that. Ironically, I've never been to Sydney. I've been there, I've been to Western Australia. I worked there and I've seen a quokka, but never been to Sydney. Ah, the Cat Cafe. I've been in there.
Come on, this way. Hello.
Oh,
See ya, little fella. See ya.
I think we'll try in here. Hello. Hello, I have some food. Thank you.
Sit anywhere.
Thank you. I'll get this one.
This
The
one is
first
a spaghetti.
Spaghetti? Yeah.
So it comes in the whole thing.
Yep.
3 plates. Huh?
3 plates? Cool.
Okay.
Yep.
You want
Thank you.
tomato or chicken broth?
Tomato, thank you.
Tomato, huh? Set A tomato, huh?
Yep.
Oh, chicken broth. Tomato.
Tomato, thank
Tomato.
you.
Okay.
Yeah. There's my iced coffee. Ooh, looks strong too. Look at that. Let's have a try. Oh, that's really nice. It's not overly strong. Thank you. Oh, it is, look at that. We've got the spaghetti with the tomato-based soup. I've got like a sandwich, eggs, and a little bit of ham there. It's hot, that's hot. The breakfast of champions. Look at that. Let's have a try. It's also the pork. Yeah. It's nice. Alright, I'm going to fuel up on this. I think this is about 15 ringgit, which is really good value for all of these. I'm going to fuel up on this and we'll have a look around here in Georgetown.
Way up there to that little tiny platform up there. You can see someone walking out now. Way up there. Oh. Oh my god.
That's crazy. And here it is, the island of Penang. Look at that. Look at that bridge. That is incredible. Well worth going. 68 ringgit. Well worth it.
Going down